Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document. There are a few possible ways to do this, but I'll be showing you the simplest method. You might want to convert a PDF document to a Word file to edit some of the text or to continue working on a document. We'll be using the official Adobe converter to do this, and before we begin, make sure you know where your PDF file is currently saved on your PC to make it easier when we get to uploading it. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Head to the link in the description first. This will take you to the official Adobe website and their PDF to Word converter tool. When the page loads, it should look something like this. All you need to do is click on the blue Select a File button, and then when the next window opens, navigate to where your PDF file is saved and double click on it to upload it. It will then say uploading, converting, and it should then say your file is ready. You shouldn't need to sign in or sign up, but you may if you want to convert multiple files. This won't be too much of a problem though, as obviously Adobe is a reputable brand. Click on the blue download button if you see it, and you should now be able to name your converted Word document. You'll probably want to include in the name that this is the converted to Word file, and you can of course rename it later on in Word as you would normally. You can now open the file and it should open it in Word. You may need to play around for a bit with some of the layout as it might not be 100% accurate. And so that is how to convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Those methods should work on nearly all versions of Windows. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.